It is important to know and define the type of trader you are or what you aspire to be. A number of years ago, I asked myself the question, do you want to trade with a defined trend, or are you willing to work very hard on becoming a trend reversal trader? So trying to top and bottom pick trends, it's a very common pitfall that we can get into, but it is an acquired skill that very few people can get good at. Trying to locate the very start of a trend and then riding it until its end is an unrealistic trading plan to apply time and time again. So becoming aware of the trend and using the trend to help with the probability of your success or trading opportunities is something worth taking the time to do. Taking a look at Bitcoin, in front of you is a weekly chart on log scale. And you can see that the trend is very much up and we have a defined uptrend. You will also be aware that we are considering Blue Wave 3 to be in its later stages. The fifth wave of this third wave is likely underway or should soon get underway if wave 4 has not yet ended. So it is possible that Bitcoin could be approaching a peak over the coming weeks. However, and like any market, trying to locate the end of a third wave is not something we would do with regard to a trading opportunity. Sticking with the trend and remaining flexible with our wave count, should we get the price action or evidence to do so, is a much better approach. So quickly here on our weekly chart, you can see we have our base channel established and we have a low at 43,145. So the low of this red wave 4. There is a defined trend, so any opportunities I would be considering would be to the upside. And here is our 4-hour chart, and you can see that we are considering the fifth wave, red wave 5, to be unfolding. We also have some alternate wave counts that we have to consider, but what is important to notice here is that all of the wave counts we are considering on this chart are suggesting that Bitcoin has registered a significant low at that 43,000 area. The nature of the pullback to that low is corrective, and that has us on the lookout for price action to resume the uptrend. And the point I want to discuss here is that within this price action, while there is potential for Bitcoin to trade lower from that peak at 61,749, we could see price action in wave 4 to come down to the 50,000 area. Or if we do have the triangle count unfolding, we could see price action push deeper. But I don't necessarily view that as a trading opportunity because it is a counter trend trade. So we are trading against that dominant trend on our weekly and daily charts. So I want to look for opportunities that suggest the trend has resumed and that we could continue higher. So under this wave count, we are considering a fourth wave within an impulse to be still unfolding. And if this is a fourth wave, the price action must not overlap with the end of wave 1 at 50,205. So that is a key level that we can work with for establishing an immediate bullish outlook. If that level was violated, we would then be looking for the triangle to end above 43,145. If the price action was to start pushing higher in an aggressive manner, we could adopt a more bullish outlook that would have green wave 3 still unfolding. So there are a number of opportunities that could be unfolding at this juncture, and all of them are to the upside. So while we can use different time frames to establish an entry point for an opportunity, it is important to know and be aware of the trend or the direction of the trend that you want to participate in, because that trend should influence the opportunities you are considering on any time frame. Channeling is a great guideline that we like to use that helps us to keep on the right side of a trend and to be aware of the various degrees of trend within the price action we monitor. So on all time frames, we will be monitoring various channels, breaking those channel lines or adhering to them helps to keep us on the right side of the trend. So while Bitcoin trades above our key level at 43,145, our focus will be on the bullish opportunities and further upside in this powerful third wave. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to sharing more crypto opportunities with you in the future.